Advocate Chaitanya, other dignitaries from Rotary Club, my dear parents, the teachers and the staff of St. Mary's School, and all little angels. At the outset, let me wish you a very happy Independence Day in advance. And I would like to thank Father. Father, I'm really thankful from the bottom of my heart for inviting me today to be a part of such wonderful program. So the theme of the program also I like very much. Culture freedom. Sanskriti se swatantrata. You know, there can be no freedom unless we know our culture. Freedom is not just doing whatever we want. Freedom is just not just freaking out. Freedom is being grounded. Freedom is being rooted in our values and virtues. Freedom is knowing our culture. I hope with the little angels, whatever they perform today, we all could experience and actually understand the theme of today's program. Father, I must congratulate you. You are having such good values and virtues in your student, and all the seeds that you are sowing today. I hope when the trees grows up, it bears fruit in the form of very good citizens of India. And the little angels, when they performed, it was really nostalgic for me because I am also a parent. Though my sons, they are both grown up, whenever I pass through the roads of Canosa SVM school, they were part of the school, I really get tears in my eyes. I experienced the same feeling today. Like I just remember my son, he was in senior KG and he was a part of dance where he was just a flower boy. Until the time we could come the camera in the front, his role was over. Still we were so excited. So I can really understand the joy, the enthusiasm, the feeling of pride in all the parents. Parents, you should cherish these memories because these are the best days being parents. When the kids grow up, they have their own lives. But their school life, the moments we enjoy with them, such programs, they are part of the persona or the persons your kids are going to be. So all of you just cherish this moment, and I'm really glad today because in the parents there is my student who is a parent of a kid in the school. There is one more my student who is actually part of a school. So what more can be more satisfying than to be part of such program where the kids are performing so nicely, and I just hope that the school that you are building, that whatever dreams that aspire for your students, they all come. My best wishes to all of you, and may God's blessings with all the dear kids. And I'd just like to sum up my address with few lines from a poem from H.W. Longfellow, Psalm of Life. It's my favorite poem. Still achieving, still pursuing, learn to labor and to wait. Hope kids understand the value of hard work and dedication, because today is a convocation day also. So as we proceed forward, they learn to labor and then to become whatever they aspire to be. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
माथे पे माटी सजा के चले, माए चलते रहे।